Gotta keep that perfect line. Yeah. Wow, you could see the finish right away. Look at this. It's as smooth as it gets. Yep, tangled wire. Notice how I'm not going too close to the edge. I'm doing that on purpose. Everybody has different ways of sanding, but this way I find works better for me. And the reason why I taped it just this side and not this side, because I'm not really taking it too close, but here, sometimes I had the mistake happen to me before. Damn. I need that fucking napkin. Oh! I always wipe before I sand because sometimes it's more better to reveal where you left off. I'm sorry, man. I got this. Yo, the wires frustrate me, bro. Hey, look, this thing's wrapped around my body like a snake. I hate doing roofs. It's the most uncomfortable things to do. Alright, so it's already smoothing up already. So now we're gonna start. I do the X factor now. Wow, you could see the finish right away. Look at this. It's as smooth as it gets. Would you look at that? Look at how smooth this is, guys. Oh yeah. Now we're just gonna block it down. After we just knocked it off lightly with the DA, now we're gonna block it down. The DA, for me, I really don't try to get as much off with the DA. I mostly try to block it down. Because if I do too much with the DA, I end up, well, when I first started, I used to go through the primer every single time. Every single time I'll end up through the primer if I just use the DA. So I knock it off lightly with the DA and then I block it down back. Everybody has a different way, so remember that there's never no right. Well, I mean, I don't know. If it works for you, it works for you, you know. I'm considering, you know, sometimes some people think what I do is wrong because they have different opinions. So But then again, this is the technique I've used on all my paint jobs, and I've never had a problem. So it's always, I've had people tell me the right ways to do it and this and this and that, and it came out bad for me until I found my own ways. So it's all about finding your own technique. There's no specific rule, as long as you got the right, as long as you understand the numbers of the grits and how not to. As you do it more, you'll learn. The more you mess up, the more you'll learn. So far, as you can see, I have not went through the primer yet. Everything's still perfect. Just a little bit at the edge right here, but that's nothing. That'll be covered up really quick. These you have to be really careful. Sometimes I just recommend just doing it with the hand so you don't go through. Got a little bit of primer buildup right there. Too much built up, so I had to go through a little bit because there was so many built up. Don't worry guys, I got a mask on. I got in my head, no. I got Tonight I'm just trying to knock off much as I can and come back over. Of course I'm gonna go back over everything again, and probably maybe water sand it as well, just so I can have that extra, that nice smooth finish, you know. No, I don't have fancy equipments and all that stuff to sand right, but I use what I got. Gotta keep that perfect line. Yeah. I got you back on camera. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, y'all missed it. I turned the camera off for 1 second, and boom, she pops up and scared me. So now I lost everything. Did I like drop everything when I fucking yelled?
You didn't have anything in your hand.
Bro, I had the block. Where's the block? Oh look, I did drop it. See?
I'm back.
What would you get? What'd you get?
I got a surprise.
Did you get chips?
I got so many chips, baby.
Nah, that's cap.
I got
Just 2.
I got you one that you probably will not want to eat right now. But you love it. I don't know, they have limited supply there.
Get her done. Get her done. Get her done. Yeah, yeah. Get her done. Get her done. Yeah. All just cause the roof wants to fade by the sun. Bro, I haven't used the GoPro in so long. I can't even remember the last time I used the GoPro. You heard? Damn. Yeah. Yo, hopefully the camera's picking up how smooth this is coming out. Feel it. How's it feel?
Oh.
Real smooth?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Next side.